Hey you! Yes, you! Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you that your chill time, that time you spend binging your favorite shows or scrolling through social media, could actually be your payday? We are tired of the old school hustle culture. You know the type. The rise and grind, work yourself to exhaustion, 60-hour work weeks just to scrape by mentality. Yeah, we're canceling that in 2026. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate lazy girl side hustle stack. And when I say lazy, I don't mean you're unmotivated. I mean you're smart. I mean you value efficiency. I mean you want to make that bank account grow without sacrificing your sanity. I've combed through 50 different methods and narrowed it down to the top 10 effortless ways to make money right now. Whether you're a busy student, an overwhelmed mom, or just someone who really loves their bed, I've got something for you. Stick around for the top pick on this list because it's the ultimate passive income hack that literally pays you while you sleep. Let's get that bag. Let's start with the holy grail of lazy girl hustles, which is selling digital planners and stickers. This is my favorite because of two words: passive income. Here's the reality: physical products are a pain. You have to pack them, ship them, and deal with returns, which is exhausting. With digital products, you create the file once and you can sell it 10,000 times. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You can go to Canva, design a cute daily planner, a habit tracker, or some aesthetic digital stickers and list them on Etsy or Gumroad. When a customer buys it, the file is sent to them automatically. You could be napping and your phone just buzzes with sales. The effort level is low, but the earning potential is sky high. If you're already addicted to Pinterest, this next one is for you. Did you know you can get paid just for pinning aesthetic photos? This is called Pinterest affiliate marketing. And no, you don't need a blog. Here's the workflow. You sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or LTK. You create a board, let's say, for a cozy home office. You find a cute lamp on Amazon, grab your special link, and pin a photo of that lamp on Pinterest. If someone clicks your pin and buys the lamp, you get a commission. Pinterest pins last for years. You could pin something today and make money off it years from now. It's the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. Okay, maybe you need cash now and don't want to wait for sales. If you love giving your opinion, and let's be real, who doesn't, you need to try user testing. Brands pay regular people to browse their websites and apps while speaking their thoughts out loud. They want to know if their site is confusing or if the buttons are hard to find. You sign up on sites like User Testing or Userlytics, browse a site for 10 to 20 minutes, record your screen, and voice, and boom, you get paid anywhere from $10 to $60 per test. You can do this in your pajamas. You don't need to be professional. In fact, they want you to be a normal user. It's quick, easy, and the money hits your account fast. Let's get even lazier. What can you do while you're literally watching your favorite show? Two things: surveys and receipt scanning. Now, look, surveys won't make you a millionaire. But if you're binge-watching a 45-minute episode, why not tap through a few questions on Swagbucks or Survey Junkie? It adds up, and for the easiest money ever, download apps like Fetch Rewards. You literally just take a picture of your grocery receipts, gas receipts, or any receipt, and they give you points that turn into gift cards. It takes 5 seconds. Do not throw that paper away because it is literal money. We talked about planners earlier, but the world of Canva templates is huge. Think about it. Small business owners, influencers, and job seekers are busy. They don't have time to design pretty Instagram stories or professional resumes. You are solving a problem to make money. You can use the free templates in Canva, tweak the colors and fonts to make them unique, and sell them as a pack. You could sell aesthetic Instagram stories for realtors, minimalist resume templates, or wedding invitation kits. You are selling convenience, and just like the planners, you make it once and sell it forever. I know being on camera is scary, but did you know some of the highest paid YouTubers never show their face? Welcome to Faceless YouTube channels. You can create videos using stock footage, screen recordings, or compilations. Think about those relaxing rain sound videos, study music streams, or motivational quote compilations. You edit these clips together using free tools, upload them, and once you hit the monetization requirements, YouTube pays you ad revenue every month. It's a slow burn, but once a video goes viral, it pays you for years. Do you love shopping? Turn it into a hustle with lazy reselling? You don't need a warehouse. Next time you're at a thrift store or a garage sale, look for the big brand names. You buy it for $5, take a cute picture of it on your phone and list it on Poshmark, Depop, or Vinted. Or, even lazier, clean out your own closet. That dress you wore once 3 years ago is cash hanging in your wardrobe. Take a pic, list it, ship it, easy. If you're the type of person who gets annoyed when you see a typo in a text message, this is for you. Proofreading. You don't need to write the book. You just need to fix it. You can go to Fiverr or Upwork and offer to proofread essays, blog posts, or resumes. Students and business owners are desperate for clean, error-free writing. If you have Grammarly installed, you're already halfway there. It's low stress, flexible, and you can do it from your laptop in bed. Okay, this next one is technically number 9, but it is the laziest one on the list. It requires zero work. I'm talking about high-yield savings accounts. If your money is sitting in a regular bank account earning almost zero interest, you're losing money. Move your savings to a high-yield savings account. Banks like Ally or Capital One offer decent interest rates right now. You literally just put your money there, and they pay you monthly just for keeping it there. It's risk-free, FDIC insured, and it's the closest thing to free money you will ever find. Here's the bottom line. The lazy girl aesthetic isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing smart things so you have time to do nothing later. If you want passive income, go with digital products or Pinterest. If you need cash today, go with user testing or reselling. And if you want to monetize your scrolling, go for receipt scanning and surveys. Don't try to do all of them at once. Just pick one. Try it for a week. If you're ready to enter your wealthy and relaxed era, make sure to start today. I'll see you next time. Now, get back to relaxing.